Hey, what's up, people? I was thinking of this question. How is India becoming the third largest consumer market in the whole world while Shein is shutting down all across Europe? The answer is art, sports, and $200,000 sneakers. You might think how? Let's discuss it in today's video. Hello, my name is Rupanji Kumar, and I welcome you to Renaissance Solocast. वेलकम बैक टू द वीकली फैशन न्यूज़। आई फील हमने इंट्रो इससे पहले कर लिया है, बट या वेलकम बैक टू द वीकली फैशन न्यूज़। इसमें हम इंटरनेशनल एंड नेशनल न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं इन डिटेल्स। द वेरी फर्स्ट न्यूज़ इज कमिंग फ्रॉम शीन। सो शीन हैज़ गॉट शट डाउन ऑल अक्रॉस यूरोप, और इसके पीछे का जो रीज़न है वो बहुत ही गंदा है। सो लिसन टू दिस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली। सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैज शीन डन कि उनका पूरा का पूरा वेबसाइट या उनका पूरा का पूरा एग्जिस्टेंस ही खत्म हो गया यूरोप में। A third party seller, a few third party sellers were selling dolls on Shein's website. I feel वो मुझे beep करना पड़ेगा the word because YouTube doesn't support that kind of words, but आपको समझ आ गया होगा. I would like note that down on the screen itself. They were selling that on their website, and the French government said absolutely not, and they shut down the whole Shein's website, saying that it's for public safety and children protection. And that's absolutely alright. And to make things more embarrassing, Shein was supposed to open its first ever Paris store, एंड नाउ अब जो ये हो गया है इनके साथ अबाउट द स्कैंडल, द सेक्स स्कैंडल, so they won't be able to do it anymore, and people are protesting outside their store, the one they were preparing, saying that they don't have like fast fashion ethics and everything. And this was a very big blow to the fast fashion industry. It's just bad, so bad. Now, speaking about chaos, there is a brand that absolutely does chaos and loves it. It's Balenciaga. Now, Balenciaga has dropped something very, very special, and something which is trending for 2025, and it would keep trending till 2026 and after that as well. Who knows about that? मेरा ये prediction है that it would trend till 2026 and then it would get over or something. So now they've launched sportswear. ठीक है, sportswear में भी क्या, they've launched football jerseys which are so big that वो थोड़ा tent की तरह दिखता है. Like you can literally wear a tent and you'd feel like you're wearing a Balenciaga jersey. That's the opposite way around, and thoda weird hai, but yeah, that's what Balenciaga does. They do social experiments every day regularly, and you can't stop them, right? They have made tracksuits which would cost more than your house rental and your car rental and any rental that you have, because that's super expensive. Balenciaga also did a recent collaboration with Puma, and it was a good collaboration on their end. I didn't like the collaboration at all, but it was a good collaboration, I think, financial wise and everything, but I didn't like the collaboration. Brands are getting into sportswear, and what I feel is इसके बारे में एक reel बना के हम डाल सकते हैं on Instagram. You can follow us there. We would be posting a reel very soon on the same topic. So let's move forward. Also, how did you like my outfit? Please comment that down in the comment section below. Now let's move on to the special segment. बहुत टाइम से हमने स्पेशल सेगमेंट करा नहीं है, so this would be very इंटरेस्टिंग. प्लीज वॉच द स्पेशल सेगमेंट. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मजा आएगा आपको, क्योंकि देयर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग डेटा अबाउट माइकल जॉर्डन का. उनका जो टेन्योर था उसका वर्थ, राइट? A very rare pair of Michael Jordan's sneakers, Air Jordan 1s particularly, which he wore in a match in 1985. It was a Bulls and Piston match, and that particular sneaker has a technology called double lacing. ठीक है, अब ये जो डबल लेसिंग वाली जो स्नीकर थी, इट सोल्ड आउट फॉर अराउंड $200,000 इन एन ऑक्शन. एंड दैट समवॉट शोज कि माइकल जॉर्डन के उस टेन्योर का क्या वर्थ था, राइट? एवरी पीस दैट माइकल जॉर्डन वोर and everything that he owned at a point of time is selling for staggering prices. It's staggering prices. Any price that you put on that, Michael Jordan is basically the Kanye West of basketball. That could be a controversial statement, not by words or something, but in the terms of creativity and the worth that he has. So that was the special segment. Now let's move on to some regular news, and the news is coming from Met Gala. So Met Gala has announced their theme for the 2026 wala unka event. Before even discussing that, let me just tell you, Met Gala is one of the biggest fashion events that happen every year, and it has been happening for decades. And the theme for Met Gala this year is costume art, and it's basically infusing fashion and art together टू फॉर्म समथिंग। फैशन और आर्ट हमेशा से एक पार्ट रहा है ऑफ द कल्चर, एनी कल्चर, जो भी कल्चर दुनिया में रहा है उसका इंटीग्रल पार्ट इज फैशन एंड आर्ट। एंड विद दिस इवेंट इट्स बेसिकली शोइंग 5000 years ऑफ आर्ट इनटू फैशन, लाइक ऐसे इन्फ्यूजन होगी। एंड what I understand and what I feel is this time Met Gala has to be something very very interesting, because this theme, the art and the fashion, is something, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई जा सकती है, right? बहुत ही सारी चीजें बनाई जा सकती है, and you can get some trend predictions from this event. And Met Gala has always been about trying so hard, and when I talk about trying so hard, so अब हम थोड़े इंडियन न्यूज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Sadly, we don't have any fashion news from India, but एक ऐसा stat है जो आपको इंडियन होना थोड़ा प्राउड कराएगा in the fashion scene, और दो तीन ऐसे sneaker drops हैं, so it might be interesting for you, it might not be, but जो है मैं वो आपको बता देता हूँ, right? Up, talking about the stats, so India is set to become the third largest consumer market in the whole world by 2027. And अभी जो इंडिया का लग्जरी फैशन का जो मार्केट है, लग्जरी मार्केट है जो, इट इज अबाउट टू हिट अराउंड $12.1 billion, विच इज अ ग्रोथ ऑफ अराउंड 10%। और अगर आप इंडियन मार्केट में चीजें समझो, राइट, तो जो भी ये फेस्टिव सीजन गया है, द फेस्टिव सीजन जो अभी रहा, दिवाली, दुर्गा पूजा एंड ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स जो अभी कुछ दिन पहले गए, उसमें सीन ऐसा रहा है कि 79% ऑफ द कंज्यूमर्स आर स्पेंडिंग मोर, एंड इनमें से जो 39% कंज्यूमर्स है, दे आर स्पेंडिंग इट सोली ऑन फैशन एंड अपैरल। सो the fashion industry is growing in India, it's very very great to see, but कोई न्यूज़ नहीं मिल रहा मुझे, सो आई एम सैड अबाउट दैट। बट या ऑब्वियसली कुछ समय में मिल जाएगा यार, किसी वीक होता है हमारे पास, किसी वीक नहीं होता, जस्ट बेयर विद अस। अब ये एक स्टैट था, ऐसा स्टैट है ये विच कुड मेक यू गाइस प्राउड दैट इंडिया कुड बी द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट कंज्यूमर मार्केट। साथ ही साथ चीज़ वैसी है कि अगर कोई लग्जरी ब्रांड या कोई भी ऐसा ब्रांड है जो इंडिया को टारगेट नहीं कर रहा है इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे, कोई बाहर का ब्रांड, इफ़ यू आर नॉट टारगेटिंग इंडिया देन यू आर लूजिंग आउट ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स, क्योंकि इंडिया में हर क्लास के लोग हैं, लाइक देयर इज ऑडियंस फॉर एनीथिंग। You make anything and everything if you could market it well, if you could just make a good product out of that, so you can sell anything and everything in India. So that was it from my side. I hope you did like the news. जो भी interesting parts लगे वो आप comment section में डाल सकते हो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो you can like the video. You can come on Saturdays to like see this kind of videos. हर Saturday ही हम डालते हैं, we are not skipping a single day, right? And we won't skip it because we feel that consistency is important to grow. And आपको अगर ये वीडियो, एक भी बंदा ये वीडियो देख के इंटरेस्टेड फील कर रहा है तो हम उसके लिए वीडियो बनाएंगे, right? So that was it. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram, that would be great for us. Thank you for watching, have a great day, see you, bye bye.